Marty, to begin with, I want to talk about Zantac lawsuits in 2021. I'd like you to sort of bring us up to date in terms of what the status of the Zantac litigation is. Lots of cases have been filed, lots of news headlines, but can you sort of bring us up to date in terms of where the litigation stands as of today in 2021?
Sure. Thanks for having me on, John. In terms of where we're at with the Zantac cases, hundreds and hundreds of cases have been filed across the country, thousands of cases. They've been consolidated into a multi-district litigation in Florida, in the Southern District of Florida. This is done for efficiency purposes so that the discovery in the case can be performed at the same time and you don't have different rulings in hundreds of different courts. Each case is still an individual case because everybody's injuries and exposures are different. But this stage of the case is all being done at the same time. We can expect some of the first trials, what's called bellwether trials, to go at the end of 2022. That's the hope. And that will give us a good assessment of what's going to happen with this litigation.